Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to talk about Solana today and will it slowly be destroyed by the FTX fallout? We know that Solana and FTX a lot of times were tied at the hip. Now Solana is suffering because it has sold, as Cointelegraph points out, 50 million tokens to FTX. Now, 50 million tokens at Solana's current price would actually be about $700 million. Solana's market cap is $5 billion, so maybe around 14% of all Solana tokens. That's not the majority, obviously, but it is a significant amount that could cause a price crash if it was sold, even over a long period of time. Remember, it only takes a couple thousand Bitcoin to start a Bitcoin run, and we have 50 million Solana coins out of a total 533 million that could be out there. Now, the circulating supply is only 362 million. That will slowly increase over time. Now, the good thing is, these coins are actually vested, and they're going to get them slowly up until January 2028, so you can't have a 50 million dump at once. But because there will be civil lawsuits coming after FTX, and they're going to be robbed penniless, well, not robbed, but legal penniless, because FTX deserves to lose all their money, they will have to liquidate all their crypto holdings, including Solana. They also have a lot of Uniswap, if you guys didn't know, as this develops and comes in. So whatever coins they get unlocked on Solana for FTX, they will have to sell. Not to mention that a lot of people probably want out of Solana at this point, and that's why they stopped releasing their vesting a little while ago. So Solana's definitely facing headwinds, and I think the FTX coins are at least coming out, and maybe some of the other coins are coming out too, the other VC vested coins, because Sam Bankman-Fried obviously was a huge VC backer of Solana, and now he can no longer backstop Solana. Outside of that, Solana itself has also lost a lot of money in the FTX debacle. The foundation lost over $100 million over the last few days, just on funds stuck at FTX. Now, technically, they still have 40 million of those funds stuck in FTX, but since FTX is bankrupt and those funds are most likely not there, they've basically just lost them. Outside of that, they also had about 85 million in FTT, which is obviously not going to be worth anything, and you can't withdraw on pretty much any exchange anymore. So altogether, Solana itself has lost about $200 million in terms of funds at the foundation. So they're going to need to find extra ways of funding, maybe issuing more tokens, maybe getting themselves the unlock to sell assets to fund Solana, development and other things. Maybe marketing, I'm not really sure. But that combined with the fact that 50 million tokens are going to be unlocked for FTX up through 2028, and those coins are most likely going to be sold to basically pay back FTX and pay back FTX customers and any kind of civil lawsuits. That is a strong downward trend for Solana up until 2028 if it survives until 2028. So right now, Solana may be slowly destroyed as soon as they release more and more of their vesting. I am not sure if they can come back from this. Plus, Solana's VCs might have just lost interest because of the whole FTX debacle. And there are other people probably wanting to sell Solana as well. Plus, their constant downtimes do not help their cause. So those are the reasons that, you know what, I'm going to avoid Solana if I had any inclination of buying them before, which I probably didn't after their 6 outage. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.